So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how I can use Gemini on Chrome to convert any video into step-by-step guide. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now here in YouTube, open the video which you want to convert into step-by-step guide. For example, here I have this video, how to install MySQL server on Mac. So let's convert it into step-by-step guide. For this, click on Ask Gemini. Now here type the command, go through this video and convert it into step-by-step guide so I can install MySQL server on my Mac without any issues. So this is my prompt. Press enter and here it gives the complete step-by-step guide. For example, phase 1, download and install. First, it tells you to download the installer. Next, installation, setting password, and configuration. So Gemini breaks down this complete video into step-by-step guide. So this I can use Gemini on Chrome to convert any video into step-by-step guide. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.